KG5EIU here at Custer Park, lecture and lab with the Dallas Amateur Radio Club, running some radios here. Got the laptop set up, running WSJTX, the trusty 705 from ICOM, and we're doing it wirelessly with the ICOM remote utility and the 705 in access point mode. So we're running WSJTX, filming the log here on 17 meters, running 10 watts out of the park. And here with my good friend Travis, who's up on 15, running.
You can get the antenna in the background.
Yeah, there it is.
Vertical whip.
Vertical whip, filling the log. We'll take a look at the antenna setup here. We've got end-fed wire with a 9-to-1. Some wire running out there just in the tree. Kind of a broadside here at Custer Park, east-west. Really windy day. Gusting to 30 here in Custer Park.